Yeah, tell me your 6000
239.
239. Okay, so this is your sales order. So today we are going to discuss the credit management. Okay, I will try to do it in your system. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
With this setting, with this sales org and everything, I try to uh, update this because for me, I did some testing, so it's already done from my side. So it's better to do it with your system so that it will feel like a new settings. So even you can also practice. I will tell you what need to do after that. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Make a note. Credit management. Credit management is a process of maintaining credit limits. So credit management is an integration between SD and FI. So both persons has to be involved here. SD person and FI. And what is the roles of credit management? Fixing the credit limits. Make a note. Roles of credit management. Fixing the credit limit. And reviewing the credit limits. Classifying customers into high risk, low risk, and medium risk categories. And if customer credit limit exists,
So classify the customers into.
high risk, low, medium risk, and low risk.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, and if customer credit limit exceeds, then we can black this sales order. So these are all the rules for the credit management. If customer credit limit exceeds, then we black the order for credit.
Then we block the.
Order for credit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we have two types of credit management. Okay. One is simple credit check. Another one is automatic. Make a difference likewise. You you have two columns, the simple credit check and automatic credit. So in simple credit check, if customer credit limited exceeds,
Customer credit limit exits.
then system will blank it only at order level. And the second point is from here only. There is no concept of risk categories in simple credit check.
There is no concept of
risk categories.
miscategories.
Risk categories. Risk. So I will show you what is the risk category center. Just make a note that. Okay. Now come to this side. In automatic credit check, if customer credit limit is exceeds
If customer,
credit limit exceeds,
yes sir.
then system will bracket order level or delivery level and PGA level. Make it.
Yes.
Yeah, in automatic credit check, we have risk categories like low risk, medium risk, and high risk. So here in automatic credit check, system will bracket order level, delivery level, and PGA level. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So, so one more thing, differentiate similar like simple credit check and automatic credit check. So they may ask in the interview point of view, what is a simple credit check? What is automatic credit check? So you need to explain what you are written. Okay.
Yes.
So here in third point you make it in automatic credit check. System will consider all the open order values, open delivery values, open invoice values, and open item values into accounting. Open order values, open delivery values, open invoice values, and open item values. You know, right? What is open order, open delivery, open invoice, and open item?
Sir, open order level, delivery order values, delivery values, invoice values.
Open item values.
Yes sir.
Make a note. If you don't know, make a note. These and all the very frequently using terminology. Open orders, open deliveries, open invoice, open item. So the abbreviation for the open order is created, but delivery is not made. Then we call it as open order. Okay. Open delivery means delivery is created, but PJ not made. Open invoice means invoice is created, but accounting is not clear. Open items is invoice created, that means accounting documents also, but customer not yet paid. Okay. You remember these words: open orders, open deliveries, open invoice, and open items. Okay.
Yes.
So these are all the, so in automatic credit check, system will perform all the things. But in simple credit check, system will perform if the credit limit is blocked for the customer, then system will block it order level itself. But in automatic credit check, system will perform credit check at order level, delivery level, and PGI level. This is the difference between simple credit check and automatic credit check. Okay.
Yes.
And in a similar way, you make it some classifications like centralized credit process and decentralized credit process.
Centralized.
And decentralized. So make a note here in the definition of centralized credit process. If one credit control area is taking care of multiple company codes, then we call it as centralized credit process.
If one credit control area
Is taking care of multiple company codes. Like your company code is what?
H300.
H300, and mine is R000, and yours?
A112.
A112. 1 second, guys. It's office call. So guys, so the company codes are we different. We are having the different company codes. Okay.
Yes.
For all the company codes, if you use the same credit control area like T100, 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 then we call it as centralized credit process. Okay.
Yes.
For the all the company codes, for your company code, my company code, and respective company code, if we use the same credit control area, then we call it as centralized. Okay, for decentralized means each company code having their own credit control area, then we call it as decentralized. Okay, like H300 having credit control area H300, or R300, R000 having R300, A112 having A112. These are all the credit control areas. Okay, so this is difference between centralized and decentralized credit process. Okay, so
Yes.
usually clients will go with, so here in this case, in simple credit check, in automatic credit check, usually normal, I never see any simple credit check using any client so far. So usually client will go with the automatic credit check. But in decentralized and centralized process, usually any client will go with decentralized only, because each and every company code having their own credit control areas. Okay,
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So in our case, we are using the decentralized. So for me, I have created my, I am going to create my own. For you, you are going to create your own. And Prashant is going to create his own credit control area. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is about decentralized, and make a note in the interview point of view. This may ask in the interview, what is centralized credit process and decentralized credit process? What is
Tell
your
that.
client is using? Huh?
Tell that one, sir. If one credit control area,
So
you are
if if one credit control area is taking care of multiple company codes, so that means this credit control area is taking care of multiple company codes. Then we call it as centralized. If every company code having their own credit control area, then we call it as decentralized. Okay,
Yes.
clear? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now we will see the configuration part. I got this. Go to the transaction. First of all, you need to define the credit control area. You can make a note in this way. First step is need to define credit control area. First step is define credit control area. Make a step this one. Define credit control area. Make a path SPRO. So this is responsible by the FF consultant. So in the real time, they will create. You don't need to create any credit control area. Okay.
yes, sir.
You go to enterprise structure, definitions, and financials, accounting, and define credit control area. So in my case, what is your company code?
H300.
H300, right? So I will give the same naming H300 here. H300 and currency is INR. Make a note these entries. You should not forget. So mention the update group as all zeros 1 2. So what is this update group? I will tell you, but I am doing the configuration. So what is our fiscal year? March to March, right?
Yes.
So March to March, it is a week. So just mention that fiscal year variant. Enter. Save it. So what is our credit control area? Just noting here H300 and assign company code to credit control area. Next step is make a note. Second step, assign company code to credit control area. Go back. So this is what we done. We done with the credit control area. We have created our credit control area H300. Go back. Go to the assignments. Assign company code to credit control area. What is your company code, Rashmi?
H300.
H300. With that H300, you are already having H400, something different. So I am going to create H300 here. Okay, correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, save it. So that is second step. And third step is define risk categories. So the different risk categories also responsible by FI consultant. Go back. Sorry. So define risk categories. Third step is make a note. Third step is define risk categories. SPRO Financial accounting. So this is responsible by finance people. Okay. Account receivables and payables. Credit management. Make a bath this one. Different risk categories. SPRO, financial accounting, account receivables and account payables, credit management, credit control account, different risk categories. Here we will create our own risk categories. Okay. So I'm going to create H31. And what is our credit control area? H300, high risk, H32, H300, medium risk, H33, H300, low risk. Okay.
1 second, sir.
Yeah, make a note. Risk categories. We will assign risk categories with credit control area. You step note this step. Save it. Noted?
Yes.
Yeah. So we are done up to whatever these 3 steps we are performed. So what we have created, risk categories, H31,
H32,
H32,
H33.
H33. Okay. So these 3 risk categories were created and assign company code H300 to H300 we are assigned. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So next is define credit group. So from here onwards, the SD consultant is responsible. Make a note. Define, next step is define credit groups. Go to the path. Just I have saved this one. SPRO. Sales and distributions. Basic functions. Credit management and risk categories.
Credit management and
Credit management and risk management. Then again credit management.
Sir, in that define.
Define credit groups. Now here you will define the credit groups. New interest. What is VR abbreviation? We are using the H1. So I'm going to give H1 block it. So we are blocking the sales order at the 3 levels, correct? Blocking at order level, blocking at delivery level, and blocking at PGA level, correct?
Yes.
So because we are performing the automatic credit check, because all the clients will use the automatic credit check only. Okay.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So, but I will tell you where is the configuration required for if I want to go for the simple credit check. Okay. So here H1 is for block at order level. H2 is for blockade delivery level. H3 is for blockade PGA level. Make a note likewise. So this is one of the configuration.
So these descriptions already there, sir.
Yeah, it's just have added. So it's it's not there. You can give your own descriptions, but it's a good practice. You can give in the same description only, because we are blocking it for our understanding. We are blocking at order level, delivery level, and PGA level. Correct.
Yes.
So these are all the credit groups. Okay. So we are blocking at order level and delivery level and PGA level. Okay. Save it. Go one step back. Next step is, what is the next step? We are done with this step also. What we are created? H1, H2, correct, right? H3. We are created
Yes.
the three different credit groups. We are created H1, H2, and H3. So next is assign sales document type to. Next step is assign sales document types and delivery types. So go here only, go one step back. You can see the step assign sales document type and delivery types. Go here. See, you can see the both steps here. Credit limit checks for sales order and credit limit check for delivery types. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
double click on credit limit check for sales orders. What is your document type?
What?
OR.
Or
So if I go for the OR2, so here you make this step as entry. So you can see here credit check. In the credit check field, what you need to give is D. D is nothing but the automatic credit check. Okay.
yes.
Make a note. These all the what type of credit checks are there? You mention these all the things. 4 points you mention. So first three A, B, C is for the simple credit check. If client requirement is they want to go for the automatic credit check, then you have to maintain the D. Check credit limit. So inter point of view, they may ask, where is the control to system will go for the simple credit check and automatic credit check? In credit management configurations, if you maintain A, B, or C credit limit check, then system will perform the simple credit check. If you maintain D, then system will perform automatic credit check. Make a note. A means run simple credit check, simple credit limit check, and warning message. B means run the simple credit check and error message. C means run the simple credit check and delivery black. D means credit limit, credit management, automatic credit control. So we are performing the D, automatic credit performing. Okay.
1 second, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So here we are performing automatic credit check. So I have mentioned D. Okay. So what is our credit group? What we are created just now? H1.
H1
Right?
and 2.
H1. Enter and save it. So this is about order configuration. If I want to perform the order level black, then I have to set H1 black here. Okay. The same way we have the delivery blacks. So my document type is OR2. Sorry, your delivery type is
LF, sir.
standard one. No? Okay.
Not created in
So
delivery.
so here you can see I just made it this one. So for the delivery credit group, if I want to blanket the order delivery level, then I have to make it first entry as H2. And if I want to blanket PJ level, then I make it as H3. Enter. Save it. Note this point also.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Assign sales document blacks.
One
So
second.
assign sales documents and delivery blacks.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now go one step back. Now here actual control is comes from here. Define define automatic credit control. You can see here we will assign automatic credit control. Make a note. What is automatic credit control? You may ask in the interview. In the automatic credit control, we will assign credit control area and risk categories and credit groups. Okay,
We will assign.
credit control area, risk category and credit group. Okay, with these combinations, we will assign automated credit check. Okay,
Yes.
now go to new entries. So let me add what is our credit control area? H300. H300. What is our risk categories which we are created now? H31 and credit group H1. Okay,
That's right.
so you need to make it all the entries available. Like so, if I am entering this, save it. Go one step back. So you can see the entry is available. Okay. So in the similar way, you need to assign all the credit control areas likewise H300 and what is the risk category? H31 and what is our H1 is a credit group. The similar way, you need to assign
H31, sir. H31.
H30 H1, right? Credit group.
Sir, that risk factor H31.
Okay, okay.
31
Risk
starts.
factor is 31. Okay, okay, correct. So in the similar way, you need to assign all the possibility entries like H300, H31, H32, and H2, H300, H3. So these are all the credit groups. So this is the risk categories. This is credit control area. Okay, you need to assign all the mappings likewise. What is this? Company code, why it is not. So you need to assign all the things. So let me add these entries for you. So I have added this. You can give the description anything here. High risk. Enter. Save it. Go to new entries. H300. This category is H32. H2. Save it. H300. H33. H3. Low risk. Save it. Go one step back. You need to assign all the settings likewise. Okay. So system, whenever system will consider, let me show you. Go one step back. So what we are created? We are created high risk, medium risk, low risk. Correct.
Yes.
So system, if we are assigning any credit, I mean, if we assign the credit limit, I mean risk categories to the customer as H3 only, then system will treat it as high risk. Then it will blanket order level. So if it is a low risk customer is there, then system will consider the S32 as a risk category. Then system will block at delivery level. If it is S300 and low risk customer is there, then system will block at PGA level. Okay. This is what we are going to see now. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. After that, so what we have did so far. So we are assigned this one as well. This step also we did. Next step is go to your pricing procedure and assign the subtotal. So what is my pricing procedure here? So these are all the prerequisites to perform the available to perform the credit management. Okay. Save this. We slash 08. E all zeros. One. Go to control and go to net value step. Where is my net value step? Here. And give the subtotal as A. Make a note. This is the one of the parameter to perform credit management. If you not maintain this configuration, then system will not accumulate the values and update into credit management. So in this net value step, you need to give the availability check as credit management as A. What is A here? Carry over the price KOMP. So it is carry the prices to the credit management. Okay. If you not mark this, then system will not perform the credit management. So this is one of the prerequisites. So I have saved these settings with this pricing procedure. Go one step back. And what else? The steps are remaining. So let's see what is our credit item category we are using. Make sure then that the item category credit active checkbox is made. What is the transaction code for item category? Make sure the entry is there. Credit active is marked this. Make a note that is also one step. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So now go inside to this credit control area. What and all the prerequisites. The transaction code for the credit control area is OVA8. Directly you can go. You type the note it the transaction OVA8.
E8. Yes.
Enter. So go inside to see the results. Correct. Now we did with all the credit management configurations and all. Okay. So we want to see the results. So let me check how it is system is performing, and after that I will try to explain the fields in this credit control areas. Okay. So I have market statistics and reaction rate as C. Take open deliveries, open orders, deviation in percentage 10 days, number of days 1 day. Okay. I made
Yes.
this configuration. I will tell you what each field it is meant for. I will try to explain you. I will show you how the system is performing the credit management or not. Okay. I did this configuration in OVA, nothing but we are made the we are created the combinations, right? Credit management, risk categories, and credit group. The combination of credit management, risk category, credit group. We are
Great.
put this setting. In that we made this small configuration, so we can able to test whether our credit management is working or not. Okay. So
Yes.
let me check. Let me check one of the. So before to that, I will try to create the new customer with the same settings. So I want to see the fair result. Because this customer might be already used for so many sales orders and all. So I'm creating my new customer now. Company code is what? H 300, right? So you know, right, how to copy the customer?
Yes.
Yeah, in XT01, you can go and create your own customers.
Organization.
Yes, H400 U0
You.
D is first of it. Okay, customer is want to create it. Just remove this. Enter. So it will copy from the everything. Sales area, is there any important survey? Import. Okay, just I have created one customer. Created one new customer. Okay, this is my customer. So before to that, I will try to run the normal sales order. Why here it's determined T2. You said it's a TIN, right?
Yes.
But in this case, it's determined TIN2. But here is something got changed. Anyway, in the TIM item also that credit active field is marked. Deliver. So now system is allowing to create the delivery, correct? Guys?
Yes.
Yeah. So now system is allowed to create the delivery. So uh, for this customer, newly created customer, I need to set the credit limits, or else our credit management will not work. So what is the transaction code to define the credit limits? FD32. Make a note. Go to the transaction FD32. Select all the views. Click enter.
For credit management, right?
Yeah, yes. Here we will maintain the some credit limit. So currently it is having the zero limit. Okay. Credit limit, I am going to give it as 1 lakh rupees.
Sir, for customer is 20017, right, sir? Newly created.
Is that correct or not? Wrong. So I need to give a new customer. Correct. FD 32. Use customer. Go to the status view and mention the risk categories. What is our risk categories which we are going to create now? Is H31. So I will give the credit limit of 1 lakh rupees to this customer. Okay.
Yes.
What is this? T100. Why it's come to T100 again? FT32. Yeah, this is H300.
Yes. Yes.
Go to the status view and mention the credit limit of and risk category of S31. Okay.
Yes, sir. This is credit limit is just like a credit card we are using.
Yes, it's just like a credit card we are using. So our credit limit is having 1 lakh rupees. So what I want to see the end result is I want to see if the credit limit is exceeding 1 lakh rupees. Our system should not allow to create the sales order. That is the concept of credit management. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So enter, save it. Clear? We did some of the configurations behind this. Now if you see, if you go to display credit limits FD33, make a note FD33 to display credit management credit limit display is FD33. Enter this. You can see credit limit now is updated to 1 lakh rupees. Okay.
Yes.
And what is the risk category we are going to use here? H31.
31.
Yeah. Clear up to
Yes,
this?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So now I will try to create the sales order with that customer. So what I did for the practice purpose, you mention this entry. Static is marked, reaction is C, status is checked, open sales orders and open deliveries. After this, I will try to explain all the things.
Yes.
As I want to show you the results, then only will discuss the what is the concept you can understand. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. You mention in this way, in this OVA transaction, I made it the setup of static as C, status and block make it as check, open sales orders
Check.
mark and open delivery says mark and deviation in percentage 10 days, number of days 1 day. Likewise, you mention in your notepad for your practice purpose.
Yes.
So what I did, I have given the credit limit of 1 lakh rupees to this customer. So now I will try to create the sales order for that customer. What is the credit limit I have given? 1 lakh rupees.
1 lakh.
Okay. So I take this customer. Enter.
That is
Oh,
1 or 2, right, sir?
or 2. It should be over 2. Enter. So I mentioned the customer. What is the material we are using here? Delivery is
Yes.
400. So if I go with the 10 quantities, it is how much value it was?
210.
210 is rupees. Where is that price? First of all, price itself is not maintained. RT01. I need to maintain some prices. Week 11. RT01. Sales of material is 400. And the material is this. I will make it 10,000 for the each unit. Okay.
Yes.
Save it. Close this window. Go one step back. I'm updating prices. Carry out new prices. Now you can see here. Now the value is net value is above the
One lakh.
threshold value which we are assigned to the customer. So let me try to create the order for one pieces alone. So let's see how it is behaving. So I have created with the one piece. I'm trying to deliver. Pick the quantity. Now system is allowing, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So because it's even it's allowed for the delivery and PGI. So let me try to create the sales order for some more quantity, like 10 quantity here. Now it might be crossed. The credit limit might be crossed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now try to create the delivery. Now you can see here, guys, system is not allowing. Static credit limit is exceed of 10,231 INR.
Yes, sir. Already one is
One is already
ah,
delivered for one
delivered.
quantity. Now we are delivering for the 10 quantity. So what is our credit limit?
1 lakh.
Yeah, it's a 1 lakh. But our customer is exceeding of 10,231
10,000.
INR INRs he was exceeding. So system is blacked that order for the credit. You can see here it's got blacked.
Look, for delivery.
Yeah. Now what has to do for this in this case?
We
Make a
need to.
note. Yeah. No, it's not like reducing the quantities and all. So that is a genuine order, man. Why we not to reduce the quantities? So we can release the order. We can release the order from the credit. The transaction code to release the order, make a note. If I go inside to the display, the transaction code to release the order is VKM3. Make a note this transaction, VKM3.
Yes.
And give that sales order number and click on execute. Select the line item, click on green flag. So that means it's released from the block. Okay, click this and save it. Now go to the same sales order. Now try to create the delivery. System will allow. Okay,
Yes.
get it? You get the point, right? How
Yes.
system is in SAP, how system is looking for the credit and on what basis system is performing the credit and what how where you can find the credit limit, how it was behaving. You understood that one, right? The concept.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now system is allow for the delivery PGI also. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So have you noted VKM3 for
Yes, sir.
release
Sir,
the yes
I,
need
I have one doubt, sir.
yes
Sir, credit limit we have given 1 lakh.
yes
So we order initially one, and
yes
again we ordered 10.
yes
So the 10,000 is exceeding.
exceeding correct.
Okay, sir. We are again released order.
Yes. So So the thing is, the concept behind this credit management, even it is credit limit is exceeding and system is allowed to create the delivery. That is what your concern, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the fact is, the scenario is the credit limit is even it is exceeded. So we are set the credit limit of 1 lakh rupees. We are even delivered the goods up to 1,10,000.
Yes.
Clear, right? In the both the sales orders, we are created the 1,10,000. So usually that is actually the credit limit we are giving to the customer. It does not mean that the credit limit up to that 1 lakh only. Even he can purchase up to 2 lakhs also, 3 lakhs also. That is up to him. That is his budget, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, if the releasing the order, that will be controlled by the credit management team. See, once the order is created, the system will blank the order for the credit. So authorized person from the credit department has to come and he will inform in the background. To the customers, he will discuss with the customer and saying that your credit limit is 10 lakhs, 1 lakh rupees only, but you are exceeding the uh, 10,000 rupees. By looking at the error, he will go to the customer and ask for this is the limit, and this is how this much you are exceeding with this order. So do you want to proceed with this order or not? Then customer say yes, then you can proceed. Yeah, I am going to pay that additional 10,000 also I am going to pay. Then
Oh,
we will release that order for the credit, and we will proceed with the delivery and PGI and invoicing to the customer. Okay. So that is the
yes.
purpose of, and don't correlate with your credit limit is exceeding like with the credit cards and all.
Yes.
So in the real time, so there was the transactions between company to client is between crores and crores in SAP. If any client customer is using SAP, the minimum turnover of that customer is 100 crores. Otherwise, the 1 second, guys, I need to connect. Otherwise, client will not purchase the SAP itself. SAP is a strictly uh, full burden to the user. The SAP itself is charging for each license. They are charging 60 to 70,000 per one license. If you are using the SAP in the real time, I mean, if you are working in the client location, then the user license charging around 60 to 70,000 in Indian currency.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
1 second, yes, I will.
Oh, oh.
So, if any customer is exceeding, even if he is exceeding by the credit, it doesn't mean that customer is able to bear up to that value or not. Then we have to verify with the customer if we are okay with this order quantity and value. Then we have to proceed with this order. In that only we have a concept of released order. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So in the similar way, if the delivery is blacked for delivery, if the order is blacked at delivery, then the transaction is VKM4. Make a note. The transaction code for release releasing the blocked deliveries. The transaction code is VKM4. Simply go to the transaction VKM4. In the similar way, give the sales document, delivery document, and click on execute. In the similar way, like VKM3 only, but you need to give the delivery document here. With the blank entry, it will take some time. But currently, we don't have any delivery blacked orders. So I will stop this transaction. Okay, you got it right. The point is how system is performing.
Yes.
So let me run one more test case to you. So
We came for is
VKM4 for releasing the black deliveries. The transaction is code for releasing the blacked deliveries. VKM3 for
Release the order.
releasing blacked orders. Make a note, this VKM3 and VKM4. After that, I will tell you how many types we can black the sales orders. So, but you understood, right? Now, how system is considering the delivery blacks and all? I mean,
Yes.
yeah. So, how system is behaving? First of all, you should understand what is delivery credit black. You should understand that one. So only we came to know that. Then only we can understand the different scenarios. So now I have created the order for the 10 more quantities again and saved it. System is saying that it's exceeding the
1,10,000.
1,10,000 is something it was exceeding. It was showing. Okay.
Yes.
So I want to see where the values are updating. So I can go into the FD33, the transaction code FD33, view the customer and credit controller is 300, enter, go to extras, sales value. You can see here what is the open delivery value so far.
1,10,000.
So it's behind this credit limit, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now after that, system will not allow to create the any order for this customer until the customer is paid that amount. So once they got paid, the credit limit again became zero, credit exposure became zero, credit limit utilized is zero. Then again you can utilize the credit
Up to
limit
1 lakh.
up to that limit, whatever the customer is assigned. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the credit process. How SAP in SAP how it is designed. So let me elaborate the fields. Which before to that I did some configurations here. Correct.
Yes.
I will try to explanation the each field what it is mean for. First field is update group. Make a note, update group. We have three types of update groups. Update group triple 000012 will accumulate all the open order values.
Time access.
All the open order values, open delivery values. So you don't go with this. Yeah. Update group 000012 accumulates all the open order values, open delivery values, open invoice values, and open item values into credit management. Next is update group 000015.
Yes.
So update group 15 updates all the open delivery values, open invoice values, open item values into credit management. So here system will not consider the open item values. Okay. In update group 15, system will not consider the open delivery values. So it will consider all the values, open delivery values, open invoice values, and open item values into credit management. Noted? They may ask in the interview point of view, update groups, what and all the update groups are there? We have three update groups, update group 12, update group 15, and update group 18. What is the update group 12?
So that accumulates all open order, delivery, invoice, and item values.
Correct. So it will accumulate all the documents like open order values, open delivery values, open invoice values, and open item values. Okay.
Yes.
So here update group 15, it will accumulate, it will consider only open delivery values, open invoice
Order value.
values, and open item values into credit management. But here in update group 18, system will consider open delivery values, sorry, open order values, open, and don't go with description. This is something wrong. So update group 18 considers open order values, open invoice values, open item values into credit management. And update group 18 will not consider the delivery. Update group 12 will not consider the open orders. So update group 12 will consider all this open order values, delivery values, invoice values, and open item values. Okay. Make a
Yes.
note these 3 points. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Even you can refer the material. You might be right? You can follow with that. So the next field is static. Make sure that static. If you check this,
Yes, sir. We check this.
yeah, if you check this, then system will update the all open order values, open delivery values, open invoice values, and open item values into credit management.
Order value, delivery value, item value, and invoice value. All four.
Open invoice values into credit management. Okay.
Yes.
Next is reaction. Next field is reaction. This field
Sir,
control. Yes. Yes.
sir, I got some emergency, sir. I'll be in a mute, sir.
Okay. Okay. Understood. Okay. You carry on.
I'm not in a club, but I'll listen to recording classes later, sir. I'll leave now, sir.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Sure.
Yes, yes.
The next field is reaction. So this field controls how system should respond if the customer credit limit is exceeds.
Come again, sir.
This field controls how system should respond if the customer credit limit is exceeds, whether to give warning message or no message. Okay. If I maintain A, it is warning. If I maintain B, it is error message. Make a note these points also. A means warning, B means error, C means like warning. First it will give the warning, and second give the error message.
Yes.
After creating the trying to create the delivery, it will give the error message. Okay.
Yes.
So the control is here. How system is behave. So if I give the A and try to save it, you see here I am trying to create the sales order. I'm trying to create the sales order. It's already credit limit is exceeded. I'm trying to save it. It is just giving the error message. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So that is the reaction it will control. So I may change it to C. Now I try to create it with the same sales order. You see here, it's a error message. System will not allow to post this order for further. Even warning message also system will not allow. But it's a reaction. You see the error, right? Red color.
Yes.
Yeah. That error is controlled by the reaction. Okay. Next
Yes.
field is status. If you check this, and if customer credit limit is exceeds, then system will block the order for credit. So if you uncheck this, what it is doing, if you check this, then system will credit customer credit limit is exceeds, then system will block the order for credit, correct?
Yes,
If you
sir.
uncheck this, then system will allow to create the order. I have unchecked this one, okay?
Yes.
And trying to create the sales order. No. Customer credit limit is exceed, but it's ordered for delivery. You see, I come inside to the delivery.
Yes.
You got it, right? The reaction, I mean the control. Where is the control? The status or block.
Status.
Yeah, if you uncheck this, the system will allow to create the
Oh,
delivery. Even customer credit limit is exceed. Clear?
yes.
Yeah. Now I marked this because I don't want to create the delivery without customer credit limit is there. So I saved this one. So now I try to create the sales order with the same settings. You see here, it got error. It got error. Okay. The control is here.
Status. Yes.
Set. Next field is open orders and open deliveries. Open orders and open deliveries. If you check this, then system will consider both the open orders and open deliveries while performing credit limits to the customer. Okay.
Yes.
Make a note this one. Next field is dynamic. So if you check this, so you see here, now I am changing the settings now. If you check this, I am unchecking everything. There are, see, these are all the different level of credits, okay? In the first case, what we did, we are created with the static checks, okay? And next check we are doing with
Dynamic.
dynamic. So here also the same setting, you made it at C and make it status as black, and horizon dates, you make it as 10 days or 2 days something, okay, 3 days. I mentioned it as 3 days, okay, and saved it. Clear? I changed the settings. Now earlier the previous test case with statistics, static. Now I am going to change with the dynamic. First of all, make a note. If you check this dynamic, the field name is.
Yes.
Then while creating the sales order, if the order value exceeding the maximum document value. Oh, sorry, 1 second. Dynamic. If you check this, then system will consider all the open order values, open delivery values, and open invoice values into credit management. If you check the dynamic, then system will consider all the open order values and all the open delivery values, all the open item values into credit management. Similar to this one. Okay. Similar to statistic also performing the same thing, right?
Yes.
Yeah, in the dynamic also will perform the same thing. But if any order creation date, sorry, the delivery creation date going behind horizon date. So something we are given it as 3 days of the horizon date. Okay.
Yes.
So if the horizon creation date is delivery creation date is behind the horizon date, then system will flag that order for the credit. There is only minor difference.
Yes.
Okay, if any delivery is behind the three days here, and then system will black the order for credit. Now I saved. Now I try to create the sales order. One second, guys. Guys, so what I did, the setting here, I maintain the dynamic credit check, okay,
Yes.
with these configurations. So now I will try to create the sales order. So anyway, our customer is already black, exceeded the customer credit limit which we have assigned. So, but the system how it is behaving. So let me check. Is the schedule and dates? Go inside to the schedule and dates. So it's customer requested date is 18, but credit is trying to propose the delivery date on 23rd. That means it's already 3 days is over, right?
Yes.
18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 5 days is there. So in this case, system will block the order for credit. Let me save this. You see here, the customer limit is exceeded by 210612. It's saying like dynamic credit check it is exceeded. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the difference between the simple credit and static and dynamic credit checks. Okay. Next is document value. So I will come back this everything. I will uncheck this. This horizon also I will uncheck. So next is if you check this dynamic value. So in all the cases you will give the reaction as C only, guys.
Yes.
In all the cases you give the reaction. So you want to block the order for the credit, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I am giving the order. All the cases I am giving the reaction as C.
Yes.
So yeah, and status has marked this one. And here, what is that? We are discussing about document value. Okay.
Right.
Yeah, make a note. Document value. If you check this, then if we are creating the sales order, if customer credit limit, if order value exceeding the maximum document value. If for example, if you check this while creating the sales order, if the order value exceeding the maximum document value which we are given here, okay,
Exceeding the document.
maximum document value,
Yes.
then system will black the order for credit. So let me show you how it is. Save this. So I have given document value 10,000 rupees, but anyway our customer credit limit is already exceeded. So I will try to increase the credit limit. Okay,
Yes.
FD32. Go inside to this customer. Go inside. So I will give add one more zero. It will be became 10 lakhs, right? So now customer credit limit I have given as 10 lakhs. So customer credit limit is there for us. Next creation of the order. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So now I will try to create the sales order. But what is the settings? You remember this one. What is the settings I have given? Document value
Document value.
is 10,000.
10,000.
So and reaction I have given as C and status of blacked. So I will try to create the sales order. V01. First I will go with one quantity. It is already behind. So I will try to give 2 lakhs 20,000 here. So first I am trying to create the document is 10,021 rupees something. Okay. I will try to create the delivery. System will, why it is allowed? I am not saved or what? Not already saved. Mhm. 1 second, guys. My system got confused. You see here, guys. So that now I have created with the sales order of the quantity of, sorry, value of total document value. How much it is? 10021. That means it's 10,021. Correct.
Yes,
So that means that is
we have given 20.
below the maximum value which we are assigned in the credit in OVA8, that is credit automatic credit controls. Okay, so that system will allow, because system is already having enough credit limit, but system is allowing with this value. So now I will try to increase the quantity. Let's see. I increase the quantity to 20 and trying to deliver this order. Now you see here, what is the net value? What is the document value here? It's 2 lakhs. It's
2 lakhs,
becoming 2 lakhs. So not 2 lakhs is required. Just 20.
20,000.
So it's just increasing of 42 rupees, which we are assigned in this
20,000.
maximum document value. So let's see system whether it will allow for the delivery or not. You see here, system is not allowing. It's giving the error, but customer is having enough credit limit. You can see here how much credit utilized he was 22% only.
22%.
He is having 10 lakhs 10 lakhs credit limits. But even though system is blacked for that, for the order, because of the reason document is blacked, because the document is exceeded the assigned the
Maximum.
document values. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is about these fields. Next is critical fields. So I'm coming back. I'm overwriting these all the things. Next is here also I will make it see. Make it status. What I need to give?
Check.
We need to give the check mark and save this setting. So the purpose of this field, make a note. If you check this, then while creating the sales order,
Yes. Getting sales order.
or while changing the sales order, if user changed any critical fields,
We're changing.
changing the, if user change while creating the sales order or changing the sales order, if user changing any critical fields, then system will block the order for credit. Noted?
Come again, sir.
See, if you check these critical fields, you are make a heading, right? Critical fields. If you check this, then while creating the sales order or
Or
while changing the sales order,
sales order. Yes,
if
sir. If
user
you
if user changed the any critical fields, then system will block the order for credit.
don't block the order.
What is the critical fields? So the critical fields is, make a note, payment terms, additional value days, and fixed value days. Critical fields are additional value days, and critical value days, and fixed value days. Sorry. So I have saved this order. I made this setting, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, I saved this order and saved it. So now customer is having enough credit limit. Even if I try to deliver, it will allow. So let me do it for your understanding. I delivered. So system is allowed. Okay. In the similar way, I will create the sales order. Save this order. Now user go inside to the sales order. See critical fields in make a note. Critical fields in will be available in sales order item level. Billing tab here in the billing tab. It's a user come inside to this sales order and into billing tab, and it changed something. He might have changed the credit limit to something else. So like we are used 001 now. Now I change it to 002 and saved it. Now see here
Critical.
what happened.
So the terms of payment is changed.
Yeah, terms of
Critically
payment
changed.
got the payment got changed, but now it's blacked for credit. Now whether you can able to deliver this.
I think not possible.
It's not possible because of the user got changed anything. He might come inside to this sales order, and in transactional data he changed the payment terms. Due to that, we have said that we have applied the critical fields blacked, so he user changed that. So due to that reason, system is blacked the order for credit. Clear? Even the
Yes.
customer is having enough credit limit here. Understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is about critical fields. The next is next review days. Make a note. So what we can do here in this case, if I want to release that order, what I need to do?
To increase the
No need to increase. This is the increasing and all for our purpose, testing purpose we are doing in the real time. The increasing there is separate department will work for the maintaining the credit limits and all. So they people only will update the increase the credit limits and all. For the releasing the blacks, so this order got blacked for credit limit, right? Separate department will release the orders. So they will go inside the department will go inside to the transaction VKM3 and release that order using that VKM3 transaction and save it. Then system will allow to create the
order.
delivery for this. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So you don't think if you're thinking only you are practicing with one customer, one material and one order. It doesn't mean that it is see in the real time. Na, there was lakhs of sales orders will be there. There is separate department will work to release this transaction using the transaction VKM3. They will try to release in the lakhs of sales orders in one day. Likewise, it is. There is separate department will work. But as a consultant, we should know what and all the people are doing, and we need to provide this configuration. We are provided this configuration to them, right? We
Yes.
should know what is the purpose of this and what and all the each field it is. So you know understood critical fields, right?
Yes.
So next is next review date. So next review dates. If you check this while creating the sales order, if order date
The
if
order date.
of order date is exceeding the next review date, then system will block the order for credit.
Then system will review.
Then system will block the order for credit. So I will mark it as C and status as mark it as blank. Next review date, number of days. If I give any number of days here, I will give it as 3 days. Last review days, next review days in the status view. One second. Last review date and next review days in the status. So I made the settings. So let's see how. So I have given the number of days as 3 days. How it is system is behaving. Let me try to create the one order. So here system is allowed in this case.
Yes.
So we are saved the settings after 3 days. So if I come here, so what is the purpose of this field is? I will tell you. I have created this order. Okay, with one
Yes.
quantity, order limit is there and save this. So after 3 days, if no one come inside to this order and deliver after 3 days,
Yes, sir. That will block.
that will block it for the credit. After 3 days, the order will be blocked for the credit. Again, user has to come inside and release the order and he will deliver the goods. So that is the purpose of this next review days. Okay. Next
Yes.
is open items.
Yes, sir. Correct.
So if you check this open item, then while creating the sales order, then system will accumulates the all the open item values into credit management. If any one of the open item value is exceeding, open items is what is open items? Open items is we are raised the invoice to the customer, but customer not yet paid. Okay.
Yes.
So, but even customer is having the credit limits. So if you maintain this one, if open item check, make a note. If you check this, then while creating the sales order, system will accumulates the value of the all the open items. All the open items.
Open items.
And system will calculate the all the overdue values.
System will calculate.
All the overdue values.
Yes, sir.
And if I maintain some percentage, I have maintained some percentage here. Make see here. Maximum open items percentage is 10%. If that open item percentage is 10%, behind the 10%, then system will block the order for credit. Clear? You understood?
Yes. Yes,
I
sir.
cannot show you because so open items is once we are created the invoice and we are raised the invoice to the customer. Okay.
Yes.
you listen here. So we are raised the invoice to the customer with having some amount. Even the customer is having the enough credit limit also. Okay, but
Yes.
customer not yet paid. That amount itself, the previous amount itself is not yet paid.
No, that way. Yes.
So, but for next creating the sales orders, if I check these settings in this configuration, in this OVA8 configuration, then system will accumulate the percentage of the overdue item. If the overdue items is behind 10% of the credit limit, it will calculate the credit limit. The 10% of the is already not paid the credit limit of the previous invoice. Then system will block the order for credit. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the purpose of this one. So and next is
Sir, that 10% of credit limit.
yeah, that is 10% of credit limit.
Okay. That much can only he can.
No, he can see if he is already paid 10. No, it's not 10% of the credit limit. It's a maximum open item percentage. Maximum open item percentage if the credit limit of the customer is 10 lakh rupees in our case. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Out of that minus 10%, how much it will be?
9 lakh.
Minus 10%. How much it will be?
9 lakh.
9 lakhs, right? So if the value is behind this 9 lakhs, that means crossing behind this 9 lakhs, it is falling around 8 lakhs, 99999, even 1 rupee also, if you consider, then system will consider this 10 percentage and calculate this value and open item values. If the open item overdue item values behind this 9,000, that means 8 lakhs 999 9,999. If you go with that also, then system will block the order for credit. So that is the purpose of this open items. So any overdue item, system will consider here in this case overdue items. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
overdue items, not the open sales order item. Open invoice items, system will consider overdue items. So we are raised the invoice to the customer and customer not yet paid.
Paid. If he pay, if he order that amount, that will consider 10% overdue. Well,
Yeah, if it is the overdue item is more than 10%, then system will black the order for credit. Okay.
yes. Yes.
Yeah. Next is oldest open item. If you check this while creating the sales order, even if one invoice is overdue, then system will black the next transaction, next order itself. So you understood, right? What is the difference between open item and oldest open item? So here we are giving the percentage. System will accumulate the percentage. So if the overdue item is up to that percentage, system will allow for the next creation of the order. So I don't want any I don't want any percentage here. Then I will go with the oldest open item.
Oldest.
So
Yes.
here what it will do, even if we check this, then while creating the sales order, even there is only one single invoice is overdue, then system is black for credit. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is about oldest open item. Next is highest dunning level. So dunning is the process of, make a note. Dunning is the process of sending the reminders to customers. So usually, so dunning is the process of sending reminders to customers. Like if you are not paid any credit card outstanding, you will get the calls, right?
Yes, sir. 7 days before or 10 days before, like
Yeah. It likewise that is called as an SAP term. We call it as dunning.
done.
Mm. So dunning is the process of sending reminders to customer for payment.
Yes.
So there was 3 to 4 levels of dunnings are there. If I check this, so if I maintain likewise with this setting we have maintained, then system will give 3 to 4 reminders to the customer. If he is not responded or not paid, then the order is blacked for credit. Okay,
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
So and what and all we are missed here. So user 1, user 2, user 3 are there, na? User 1, user 2, user 3, these are all customized. If client requirement is something behind is not matching with any of these configurations already provided by the SAP, then we will they will go with the some customized.
Customers.
Yeah, so then they will use the user 1, user 2, user 3. If client requirement is related to this credit management is not fulfilled with standard configurations, then we will go for the user exit. User exit. These and all the user exist. If you check this, then you have to create the user exit and you ask the above and create the user exit based on the client's requirement. Okay.
Yes.
So make a note, few user exit underscore some user exit, standard user exit. Standard user exit, user underscore credit underscore check one. Same thing, user underscore credit check underscore two. So if anything customized you need to do, you can go to the this user exist and make the client's requirement is fulfilled. So this is about credit management. Okay. And
Yes.
one any other things are there I missed out. So here higher dunning levels are there are different types of dunning level. Dunning level 1, 2, 3. You go with the nodes which I have provided you. So and
Yes.
see here one more thing I have missed this test, right? So item check. The first field is item check.
Yes.
You check this. So if you check this, then system will perform the credit limit for the each and every line item. If you uncheck this, then system will perform the credit check while saving the sales order. So I will check this and I make it the standard one. I will show you how system is behaving. So I make it the standard settings. Okay. I have make it the static settings. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I am checking this item check and saved it. So let me try to, there are enough credit limit is there. VA01. I have given the 10 quantities. So it's crossed 1 lakh only. So again, I will give delivery, the same material. And the 10 quantity. You see, it's became 20 now, 2 lakhs now. Again, I will give 10. Whether I have saved this or not. Yeah, I have saved this. Now, again, I have given the material, which became now 4 lakhs. Now it's become 5 lakh, 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs. You see here,
Yes, sir. Credit limit exceeded.
credit limit is exceeded on the line item 7. You got my point, right? While entering the
Yes.
sales line items, it is performing at the while entering itself, it is performing.
Yes.
Yeah, if you uncheck this, then system will perform the credit check while saving the sales order. Okay.
Yes.
Next is deviation in percentage. When credit limit exceeds, then either you note it. So deviation in percentage.
Yes.
So after releasing the order, so we have for example, we have saved this order and we have released the orders for delivery. Okay, using the transaction we are released. So we are maintain some percentage deviation in percentage we are given right here.
Yes.
Yeah. So if the user trying to go inside to the sales order and try to increase that order value up to 10 percentage, then system will allow and system will not block the order for credit. If they increase the above 10 percentage, 10 percentage, then system will block the order. Again, it will block the order. Again, you need to go to inside to the sales order and release the order. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So that is the purpose of deviation percentage and the number of days. If you maintain number of days here, then after releasing the order which was blacked for credit, there is no further processing documents of one day. If there is no order is changed in within 1 day, then system what it will do, again it will system will black the order for credit. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is all about credit management. Okay, if you have any doubts, please let me know. So the credit management, especially I told you because of interview point of view. So the people may ask anything, any point of thing. So here one more thing, credit limit seasonal factor. I have forget this one. Credit limit seasonal factor. If I give any percentage here, if any seasonal factors are there, like we have festivals, right?
Yes, sir.
In the festival seasons, if you want to give the credit, increase the credit limit up to 10% of the all the users, and if you give the dates here from these dates
From
to
where
this
to
date,
where?
yeah, where to where, then system will consider even 10% higher over the credit limit of that customer, and it allow to create the order. Even the credit limit is exceeded also. Okay, based
Okay.
on this percentage which we have mentioned here. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's all about credit management. Hope you understood. It's already 9:30. Okay, guys. Bye then. So we will winding this call now. Hope you understood. You will practice, Prashant, from your side. You practice. There is nothing is there. You just this configuration behind this and practice all the scenarios. If you are already with you the material and try to memorize all the things. What is the purpose of each field? They may ask, especially in the inter point of view, they may ask what is the difference between simple credit check and automatic credit check, and what is the difference between static and dynamic, and what is the oldest open item, uh, what is the document value, where is the control, what is the where we will control if customer is changed the sales orders, I want to block the order. So likewise they will ask any point of view, cross questioning they will ask. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay then, so I'm
Okay.
winding this call now. Bye.
Okay, sir. What about
Hope you
tomorrow's
understand.
class?
Tomorrow's class, so mostly I will try to take by evening only, man. Morning it's highly impossible to me.
Yes.
Seriously. Okay. I will try to take by 7:30 only. Huh?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay then. Bye guys. Hmm.
Bye.